Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Copious amounts of rainfall falling over southeastern Alaska today, especially around Sitka, where heavy and intense periods of rain have swamped the city and again creating mudslides for parts of the region there. Low pressure working across southern Alaska, also firing up thunderstorms across the Matanuska Valley, one of the first severe thunderstorm warnings in a very long time for south central Alaska. Looking northward, cooler air is sitting just south of the Brooks Range, having a lot of trouble making it much further southward, but it is that impact that is creating periods of rainfall across the Alcan border, north of the low pressure system, all the way toward the western part of Yukon, where even more thunderstorms are seen this afternoon. Out across the west, high pressure sitting across southern parts of the Bering Sea, stabilizing the region after a very unsettled week or so. 1,027 millibar high pressure system sitting just east of the Pribilofs is keeping widespread areas of fog and stratus. A few breaks in there from time to time, but the fog and stratus is coming back. A look out to the west shows warmer air building off of the Kamchatka Peninsula. That'll lift northward and kind of spread out across the western and northern Bering as we head into tonight. Meanwhile, showers across a large part of the Alaska Range, the Copper River Basin, and periods of moderate to occasionally heavy rainfall will continue for parts of southeastern Alaska. A look at Wednesday shows low pressure parked across the northern Gulf at 1,014 millibars. That will continue a west and southwesterly flow into southeastern Alaska with high pressure behind it across Bristol Bay and just north of Unalaska and Dutch Harbor. That sits at 1,027 millibars. Warmer air across the northwestern Gulf will gradually push a little bit further northward as we head into the midweek. That should allow a better chance for rain and showers to spread toward the Pacific coast of the Alaska Peninsula. Showers will continue across the central and eastern interior. The threat for thunderstorms diminishes, but we could still see a little bit of convection and activity across the northern Alcan border, generally in the upper Yukon Valley and north and east. Across the Arctic coast, look for areas of fog there as melting seems to have slowed now across the Arctic ice pack. Look for low pressure across the St. Lawrence Island region to create showers from Norton Sound across the Seward Peninsula and Nome and north into Kotzebue Sound. A look southward shows another wave of low pressure organizing just south of Sand Point. That's at 1,014 millibars as warm and wet air moves into the western Gulf ahead of a drier period for south central and Prince William Sound with a little sunshine for Thursday. With Alaska's statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave